Hello everyone and welcome back to another Theme Park Dude construction update for the Velocicoaster. Yeah, that's right, I'm doing it a little bit differently this time for this one. Just a really quick update. I know I've been gone from doing these updates for months now. It's been a very long, very long time, and I'm sorry about that. There's just been so much that has happened to me in my life that I couldn't really do this weekly anymore. So these will not be done weekly anymore, but I will go back to doing them more often than recently, which was absolutely none, but that's besides the point. I'm back here again for another update here. Of course, I did not record my voice as I was recording the video, just recorded the video, that was it. But I'm doing the voiceover here, trying it out a new style, new way. As we can see, there is so much that has happened in that area, but also nothing really at all. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of clutter in this area. As before with the previous updates, it was mainly an empty area, just still moving the dirt around. Here we can see that they've put in a lot of concrete footings into the dirt. They moved around the land out there. They're putting a lot of cement. You can see in the water there was some cement, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be the footing for the coaster tracks right there. I'm probably using the wrong terms here, but it's whatever. You guys get what I'm trying to say, right? I hope. They are putting a lot of these metal poles down into the ground to stabilize everything, stabilize the land. Nothing really crazy. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about this one right now. And also, over the last couple of months, they have moved around the guest walkway for Jurassic Park in between River Adventure and the Discovery Center a bunch of times. You can see here's the current walkway. This is actually brand new. It wasn't like this before. It went closer into the actual construction area. They put a paved road, and that was the walkway for a couple weeks, and now they closed that area off, and this is the current walkway. You see over in the Harry Potter side, they've actually took down some of these trees over by the bridge. This probably has nothing to do with the Velocicoasters. Probably they're probably building something for the Harry Potter light shows. I'm just hoping they put the trees back because it is an awful view. Now it completely destroys the theme of Jurassic Park, because now you can see the Hogwarts Castle in Jurassic Park, which shouldn't happen, in my opinion at least. Anyways, that's all I really have to say about it. I'll just leave you guys to watch the rest of the videos at peace. I'll see you guys for the next Theme Park Dude video. Have a good one.